Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch mix. Stellenbosch. Abantu bo. Why nishikishana ngempundu nina yeni? Tata ubona kushisa ngempundu. Ngabe ninzi kakhulu tata. Abantu. Stellenbosch. Abantu bo. Stellenbosch say mix. Nanyam 100 people wabantu sebebuka mina in 1 second. Nanyama. Abantu i-deliver la ephuma la saw deliver eBramfontein Rosebank saw deliver ngiyaphuma manje ama 70 manga house awu 500 take away so lezi moto yanga ayisondela imoto abantu one must die or take one for the team. Phone yami. Phone. So this one. Angene phaka. Asafuna hlale la. Now it's a vert, next event. Abantu. Uthi ngiyadlala wena, angidlali. One must die or take one for the team. Nice event. Take away. Nali papa la con. Nai moto for deliver. Fanga move so simple la. Oza ya mfule. Ai deliver. Siyaphuma manje. Muthi siyadlala wena. Akubeke njani Nkosi ibusise ngitawo. Faka i-order lakho nangu unika imali. Wenzani manje? Ngiyaphuma manje. Faka i-order. Ungalokhu umbuze emningi wena WhatsApp mina 0767781714. Nayo ama-order yaphuma. Ubuthi ngiyadlala wena. Now 100. 900. Take away. Abayithe tata, imix yonke tata bayithe inyama abantu. Stellenbosch and kidney. Ubuthi siyadlala wena. Nayi deliver la icon. Nayi deliver iyasondela. Ngibuke kahle, ungayibuka lebudeni. Nanyama. Ushubota. Deliver khona. Nakho ngebo. Hayi ndawo lethola ku location. Deliver number nansi. Uyi WhatsApp uyifoneli. Ungayifoneli WhatsApp. Malini lokhu kuhamba namapapa amabili lokhu 100 rand lokhu lapha 100 rand nenyama yakhona take away 9 number 9 ndawo 9 number 9 ndawo location hiyo le. Nayi location uyayithola, confirm ke tala wenzani manje? Uyayithola location. Location uyayithola. Confirm mkhulu wenzani manje? Check lapho location hiyo le. Hayi cellphone number for order. Order phela ngiyodeliver manje. Ngiyaphuma la imoto, ngiyaphuma manje. Banga mu 100. Yini ubuthi ngiyadlala wena, hayi angidlali. Lanya. Yabazo usangale tata. Wena ngapha nje uyanyakazisa manje. Ini stop sakho kathi sibe ready, unyakazise. Inyama ifaka la ngithi. Banika malokhu njalo bayifaka la ngapha. Ayikotshwa. Ikobeni. Kina tata. Sibe fresh stove. Sala si ready. Leo man. I went to the toilet. I just want to pee. Yeah, start. That's the strat. You take my time and then you push your job. Nana, why you do like this? What? Mine now we are waiting. This is you putting here. Yeah, you are right. You are right, but you see those ladies, they like those ones like this. Special ladies, they like things too much. I have a shirt. One of my gogo, they do it for me. Talented. Chef izolo ufika ngani? Why ungafika ngizolo? Nama delivery yaphuma manje. Sacheka la ngiyeza bani? Ngizangwale. Ngibonga plastic enginawo la. Eish. Asemancane. One namhlanje uzolobe nginemali wadelay wathengisela abanye.
So if you want to today gonna give you 100 rand tomorrow come to finish.
You can't give me two. Because I know you're gonna take time to come back. Yeah.
Mapero awini.
Mana, isize medium imalini yona?
Medium one is 70. Full 170.
Oh, this one is 100. Yeah, it's fine. Ngibekela phansi lapha. Ama-hairnet ngawathola uyazi? Those hairnets. Hairnet, where can I find it? You don't know how come? No, make a plan. I need that thing, and I don't know when I'm gonna get it. Make a plan, please. Talented Nana. Huh? Going bubbles, this is a job for the crane. This one. I don't know. We were growing up where? Or you're growing up like in your stomach already, you're coming out, you know everything. Who teach you this fucking things? What? How come you do this like this? I was thinking about Kalikati. I know how to do that. Those one who are just see the what is that? What is the hand? Traditional what they using there?
I don't know what
Yeah, but that one is different. Some of the mats they're using the plastic, and then that one they're using the what is this? The grass. You know that? Me, I know. I know. Yeah, I can tell us how to do Anyama. Koi ota baba. Saya puma mnamani. Osa baba. Anyama. Toma Umula le mo kufaka leyo. Ade ulinyama la seyincane inyama la. Uyayibona ngithi. Thatha iskafutini ke uphungule le uyenza uhalf. Bese ufaka le inyama original. Yenza so. Thatha lo ufake la. Full space, please. Tshela la. Jimmy Skinny, WhatsApp, phone, WhatsApp, Ketaram 07677811714. So Jimmy Skinny, Primrose, say it in really, angazi nje ngabala ngithini. Wena WhatsApp mina, we talk from there. Sizokhuluma, ushaya WhatsApp, uyayibona WhatsApp number ngithi. Iyeke location wena mawufuna ukorder ngilethele mina, iyeke location 07677811714. WhatsApp kuzobalula ukuthi ngikwazi ukulethela into yakho. Musu lokupholisa amaseko. Ngapholisa amaseko. Faka i-order yakho manje WhatsApp esiqoqe kahle kube mnandi. Ayangena ama-order lapho na Saturday. Sesebashiya manje. Akekho order sesehamba. Asambe. Papa ini. Papa ini sekali sembo. Why ubuza uyabona kancane. Athi inkinga yakho wena. Ungenja unenkinga nawe uyambona ukuthi ukhulelwe uyambona. Uthandiswa wena. Siap. Abraham. Sibolo injani? Yashesha swa kibe. Ngiyashesha. Asigibele wona ifruwe fast. Angijaji phone yami ke le. So that ngizokwazi ukubuya futhi ngitshengisa abantu ukuthi angidlala ngiyasebenza mina. Inkosi ebusise ngisayodeliver. Bad